The most obvious accomplishment of the project thus far is to provide safe drinking water to 8 rural villages. At the same time, in those 8 rural villages, our health component has provided health and hygiene education to all kinds of citizens, children, adults, village health workers. We have a special program called Child to Child Training, where we train children who are leaders among the children to train other children. And we've seen a marked improvement in people's level of knowledge in terms of cause and effect in waterborne diseases. Part of our work program approved by USAID, we have a partnership with the Tajikistan Technical University Department of Water and Wastewater Engineering. And that partnership takes the form of creation of a center housed at our project called the Center for Safe Drinking Water Solutions. And in that center we have interns from the Technical University who are senior level water and wastewater engineering students, and we're able to offer them an opportunity for practical field experience. We're also able to offer them exposure to equipment and technologies that are not otherwise available to them through the learning environment. In the village of Halkajar, we have, in our health and hygiene education, we have this methodology used by our subcontractor, which is called child-to-child education. And one of the methods, or one of the techniques that we're talking about is oral rehydration therapy, which is when people are suffering from gastroenteritic diseases like dysentery or diarrhea. One of the real risks is dehydration. So we have trained children who are the child-to-child educators how to do this. And they are going door to door in the village and knocking on doors and asking people, do you know what oral rehydration is, and do you know when you should use it? In one case, they found that an infant about 8 months old was suffering from diarrhea, a gastroenteritic disease, and very seriously at risk. And so they immediately, true to their lesson, took out an oral rehydration packet, mixed it up, taught the mother how to use it, and then came back every day for about a week until the child was out of danger. And these children really take this seriously, and arguably they saved this infant's life. I like to see projects that work. This project works. It delivers safe drinking water and health and hygiene to people, and it makes their lives better. And what better impact can we have?